Hey, what's up, guys? It's Tech Summer talking to you here. And I was just minding my own business, working, studying, and Apple decided to drop new iPhones. Apple just dropped the iPhone 14 in yellow. Yes, like it was rumored for actually a week now, and Mark Gurman also specified that on his Twitter account today. Apple was preparing to launch new iPhones, and as usual, they did it on a Tuesday. They launched the iPhone 14, not the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max, just the iPhone 14 in a bright yellow color, as you can see on my back. But this has some implications on the Apple March event, because if we got this iPhone color now, will we get an Apple March event or not? So in today's video, I will talk about all of that. And of course, you guys, if you are excited, don't forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So after today's drop of the iPhone 14 in yellow, should we expect an Apple March event or not? Well, first, let's talk about the iPhone 14 and what's new on this iPhone. Well, we didn't got any new colors for the iPhone 14 Pro or 14 Pro Max, but we did got new colors of the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. These new iPhones now come in a bright yellow color. This color is not my favorite though. It's been like very weird to look at for the past few minutes. It's too bright for me. But for some people that might enjoy this bright yellow, maybe they will buy one. These are just the spring colors that Apple likes to release on March or April. So they do it every single year. They did it last year with the green, which I thought it was better than this year's yellow, but still, they did it last year, and they did it 2 years before that with the iPhone 12s and with the purple iPhones. Now, the iPhone 14s get a yellow iPhone. We have got, I think it's not the first yellow iPhone, the iPhone 11s had an iPhone yellow. So, I mean, it's not that beautiful. In my opinion, these won't sell that much. This is just a mid-cycle refresh that Apple likes to do. But I do think it's not the product in like itself that is special about this announcement, but I do think that the impact that it has on our perception of Apple's plans differs. Because this launch means that Apple won't have an Apple March event. Yes, I do believe that by launching the iPhone 14 in yellow now, they won't be having any Apple March event. The 15-inch MacBook Air will be launched later, the Mac Pro will be launched later, and every single product that you thought it was rumored to come out on an Apple March event will be delayed. This year, in 2023, we are not getting an Apple March event, for sure. After today's launch, that's what I take from it. Don't think we will be getting an Apple March event, and I can almost bet on it. I do believe that if Apple wants to launch more products, they will do it on the newsroom style, like they did the iPhone 14s. They will just refresh their website, and that's it. New products available. The iPhone 14 is now available in yellow, so if you want to get one, go and grab one. But that's the thing that I want to tell you. No Apple Watch event, in my opinion. The 15-inch MacBook Air will be coming out later. The Mac Pro will be probably now coming out on WWDC, like I was thinking at the beginning. And of course, I'm really excited. Next event will probably be in June with WWDC, and the rumored stuff are the Mac Pro now and the Apple VR headset. The 15-inch MacBook Air should be available later this year. And if that happens, maybe, just maybe, Look Miani may be right, and we are getting an M3 chip on the device, together with a refresh for the M2 MacBook Air. So Apple will refresh the whole lineup. Get an M3 MacBook Air 13-inch and M3 MacBook Air 15-inch. I'm not sure, but if Apple wants to release this 15-inch MacBook Air, it does not make much sense to do it on WWDC together with the M2 Ultra Mac Pro. So I do believe they want to postpone the 15-inch MacBook Air release later. If they don't, maybe they will release it on an April on a newsroom post. I'm not sure, but that's too big of a computer or too big of an announcement to launch on a newsroom. Let me know in the comments below what you think, but for sure, I don't think we are getting an Apple March event. If we do get more products, they will be on the newsroom. That's it. I don't think we are getting any more events until June. Sorry guys to disappoint you. There was some hype building from the Apple March event. I saw some channels talk about it, but after today's launch, it has been completely ruined. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you like the new iPhone 13 yellow color, and do you think it will sell pretty well? Would you buy one, or are you happy with your current phone? Let me know all of that in the comments below. This has been Tech Talking to you here. Bye bye.